composing music hard? Don't you wish you could make some awesome music? Don't you wish you could make some awesome music easily with friends? Well, we got a game for you! Composing is a musical party game where you and your buddies compete and cooperate in creating the greatest piece of music of all time. The game is hosted from a PC or a Mac, and players can use their mobile devices to join and control the game. The minimum required number of players is 3, but the game supports up to 8 players in total. It is highly recommended to use headphones with the mobile devices and speakers for the hosting computer. Once you have gathered your friends and joined the server, you will be able to choose a character as your avatar in the game. When everyone is ready, the game may begin. Composing is easy and fun with the latest and greatest state-of-the-art UI design. Just tap the patented blue balls and enjoy your newly composed piece. The composing round will be repeated 4 times, each round having a different instrument. The players will vote for the best piece after each composing round, and the winning piece will be selected to be part of the final masterpiece. Once all the rounds are finished, the player with the most points will be crowned as the Grand Composer, and the final masterpiece is revealed for everyone to enjoy. Isn't that beautiful? Disclaimer. The game is meant for entertainment purposes only, not recommended for high competitive players, children under 5, or expecting mothers. Don't compose and try. May cause severe hilarity and increased creativity. Developers are not responsible for any broken phones, TVs, or friendships. Have fun.